Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. Um, Today I would like to tell about my reading journey actually. When I have started my learning journey, so that time I inculcated this habit also, because earlier also I am into in reading, but that time I used to read that non-fiction books. So that time I was not aware this is not uh, my genre. But if you want to improve your communication skills, so I believe you should work on your reading as well. Speaking is very important, but reading and speaking should go hand in hand actually. So, reading helps you build vocabulary, understand sentence structure, and express your thoughts more naturally. Over time, you will notice a big improvement in your communication skills. So, I know that reading can feel boring or even make you sleepy at first, but the secret is to choose a book that matches your interests. When you enjoy what you are reading, you won't feel bored, monotonous, and you will naturally want to keep reading. So, when I first started, I used to read only non-fiction book because I thought uh, they were the best choice for me. Later, I realized that they were not right fit for me. Then I picked up a book by Sudha Murthy's ma'am, and everything has changed. I genuinely enjoyed her storytelling and and any interest is in reading grew day by day. I have finished one of her books. That book's name is Here, There, and Everywhere. I have already finished that book, and I have started another one. If you are starting your reading journey, so I highly recommend reading Sudha Murthy's ma'am book. They are simple, engaging, and perfect for learners actually. I also recommend another book that is Atomic Habits. So it's a wonderful book that uh, teach us power of small consistent habits through practical examples and um, inspirational stories. It can keep motivation throughout your learning journey. So definitely you have to read that book, and you can see the drastic changes in your communication, because if we have to inculcate this habit every day, and you will see the changes day by day, and you will see the your communication uh, will change. So definitely I recommended that books, and nowadays I am learning another book that is You Can. So I have finished three book. So, and from starting I felt monotonous, but gradually I read that boring part, because I have picked to book for my choices, so that is the reason. So if you are a beginner, so definitely I would recommend you have to choose Sudha Murthy's ma'am book. You don't feel monotonous, boring, sleepy, and you will enjoy that. And the day by day you can see that means you are eager to read another page. So that is the way you have to improve your uh, communication skill. Because I know speaking is more important, but reading is also more important, so you should work on that also, and you can see that the drastic change in your communication skill. And you will see day by day your vocabulary will be increase, and your sentence structure will improve. So that is, and you have to work on that also. Gradually your interest will increase, and you will see means you have finished one book, so you want to purchase another book also for reading. So that thing I want to uh, tell about, because in that way I am improving my communication skills. So I thought, why not I have to share with you also. So when you have started your journey, so you have to work on your also communication skill, and simultaneously you have to work on reading and speaking. So that's it. Thank you for watching.